friends, welcome back to another unboxing, and this one is from Coach. This is part of the cherry collection. So let's get right into it. And here's the notebook, the usual. It has every now and then it has a page at the bottom with something. It's cute. And then here it is, the cherry. Oh, it's so cute. Here we go. The Cherry Heart Notebook. Heart Cherry Notebook. Oh, cute. This is made in Vietnam. Oh, they do good work over there. Has Coach here. Coach. Nice. And then it'll fit perfectly in here, of course. Cute. And then this is the pencil bag. It's the same color on the inside, the beige. Oh, it's so cute. Coach here. Coach. Very cute. That's all I got. Oh yeah, by the way, my flowers are in a cup. I didn't have a vase, so I just got a little creative and I used like a plastic cup from like the grocery, not the grocery store, like Circle K is where I got it from. And then I just put in my little Aldo bag. Look how cute that is. Oh, so cute. All right, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.